Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Fluent Guys podcast, your go to place for learning English with ease. I'm Syra.
And I'm Siam. Today, we're going to talk about a simple but important topic: how to talk about your daily routine in English. This is perfect for beginners looking to improve their speaking skills.
Yes, understanding how to describe your daily routine is a great way to practice speaking in English. It's something you can talk about every day.
Exactly. So, let's break it down. When talking about your daily routine, you usually use the present simple tense because it's about things you do regularly.
Right. For example, I could say, I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Notice how I use wake up to describe a regular action.
Yes, great example. You can follow that by talking about other regular actions, like I brush my teeth or eat breakfast. These are things we do every day.
Let's give our listeners a full example of a daily routine, step by step. I'll go first.
Sure, go ahead.
All right. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. After that, I brush my teeth and take a shower. I have breakfast at around 8 a.m. I usually eat toast and drink coffee. Then, I leave for work at 8:30 a.m. So, I've just shared a typical morning routine.
That's a great example, Sarah. Now, I'll try. I wake up at a.m. I do some stretching exercises, then I have a cup of tea. I start my work at a.m. I'll usually work from home, so I don't have to travel.
That's a good one, Siam. Notice how you included details like what you eat or when you start work. These details make your routine more interesting.
Yes, and don't forget to use time expressions like in the morning, at night, or specific times like at 8:30 to show when you do things.
That's a great tip. Also, to make your routine sound natural, you can use linking words like then, after that, or next to connect your sentences.
Absolutely. Let's help our listeners practice. If you're listening, try repeating after us. Ready? I'll say a sentence, and you can repeat it after me.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Now your turn. Then, I brush my teeth.
Great job. You can practice this with your own routine. Just remember to keep it simple and clear.
And one last tip. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better you'll get.
That's right. Practice talking about your daily routine in English every day, and soon it will feel natural.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope this helps you feel more confident talking about your daily routine in English. If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with friends who want to improve their English.
See you next time, here on A Fluent Guys.
Bye, everyone.
Little feet